If you're looking for a place to find a lot of leaves, I suggest getting onto your local social media page for your neighborhood in the early fall, late summer. And I just asked people if they didn't know what to do with their leaves to rake them up and drop them off at my house. So I got quite a few. I've got a pile here, some over here, and more up there. You can see my bags everywhere. There's a fantastic way to get it. I used to take my grandkids and go over to parks and public places and churches and rake up the leaves, and it took a lot of time. So I have people just bring their bags by. I tell them which kind of leaves I don't want, like the sycamores and the walnuts. And I don't want a lot of pine needles, hardly any pine needles. My grandkids will sometimes go out and rake some, and I'll pay them a little bit of money. They're just little kids, so they have a lot of fun doing it. But I got quite a few given to me this year, so we only have just very few very tall trees. That one is just too hard to rake up. We've got a lot of, it's in the chicken run. I just kind of let it drop. But it's leaves. But anyway, yep, see, I got a good supply. So when the weather warms up a little bit more and there's less rain, I'll be spreading these out on the grass, letting them dry out good, and then I'll start shredding them.